Welcome back guys. Today's video going to be very important because in that video I am going to share my interview experience. Recently I have selected in iInterchange system, which is one of the best software industry in India. Okay, let's talk about in detail. You have to be concentrate on this video till end if you are fresher. Don't skip this video, just watch till end. So if we'll talk about the first round, it will be based on your aptitude and your basic coding, and that question will be MCQ, right? So in that, what they ask from me personally, they ask some aptitude question and coding related MCQ question. If we will talk about the aptitude question, mostly they are asking quantitative, logical, and verbal ability. This question they are asking. They are not asking that much level of question. They are asking just basic to moderate level of question. You should not worry about that. They are asking any hard level of question. No, they are asking just they are shortlisting a student by using that round. Okay. If you are able to crack this round, then you can easily crack the next round. It may be next round, it may be like your coding round in some of company, and some of company it may be your group discussion, right? If we will talk about the coding round, if that company is a product based company, they will prefer to ask question from data structure, I think so. Data structure, in that they can ask like tree related question, linked list, array, string, this kind of question they can ask. Okay, if we'll talk about the service based company, and that mostly they're asking question from a string and array, right? If you know that a string array concept very like basic to medium level, then easily you can solve this question. Okay, I will share that how to practice those questions, and I have one sheet. I will share in description. You can go through that and you can solve those sheet question. There will be like 450 question. If you are able to solve those questions, you can easily crack any company. It may be product based company or it may be service based company, right? Okay. And if you will talk about the group discussion, in that they will take like 10 to 11 people with one group, and in that they are shortlisting a student. And in that round, they are mostly focusing on your communication skills. If you have good communication skills, you can easily crack this round. Okay. And while speaking, you have to explain clearly whatever point you are going to say in that round. Okay, it is not mandatory that if you talk more point then you will select. No, if you are able to speak only 2 point, means you have to speak very clearly in group discussion. So this is about group discussion, and next that is there will be interview. First interview you will be technical interview, and another will be HR interview. Both are very important. Most of company they're asking this round. Okay. In technical skills, technical round, they will ask you question from OOPS. Definitely, they will ask OOPS question. In OOPS, that question may be from related to polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, interface kind of thing is there. Encapsulation. This question they will ask from this question. From me, they ask like why we are using interface in Java, right? So for preparing this round, you have to know one language. Basically, I will prefer Java or C++. You can go through anyone. If you know any other language, it's not problem. But most of company preferring this language. If you know like Python, means it will not helpful with you to solve the DSA question, because in Python there are a lot of inbuilt function. So coding during coding round, you should not use this kind of inbuilt, and during interview also. So you have to go through that Java, either C++. Okay, and you have to know very basic. You should know clearly whatever the basic question. You should not skip any normal question. You have to prepare well basic. If you know basic to moderate level any programming language, you are the person you can crack the company. And you have to practice more coding. In DSA, most of question coming from the string, and you have to prepare this thing. And next thing is SQL. That is really important. Mostly they are asking question from SQL, like DDL, DML, DCL, TQL is there, right? So you have to prepare those things and practice those questions. And you have to know some basic of like normal technologies in that, whatever you prefer to domain. This thing you have to know. And if we'll talk about resume, that is really playing major role to get place in company. Resume in the sense means you have to put your skills, whatever you know and whatever your achievement you got still. You have to put those things in that resume, and make sure you have to put some best, what is that, best project. It is depend on you what technology you are going to use. So by using that you prefer technology, you have to build one best project, and you have to know everything about this project, how that project you have to build, and how that project is working, and what purpose you created this project, and how this project is different from another existing project. So this thing you have to know. If you know, you have prepared according to this, definitely you can crack any company. This is not very difficult to crack any company. This is very easy, but you have to concentrate on consistency. You have to concentrate to regular study. This thing will help you to get place. And if we will talk about the HR question, they will not ask any difficult kind of question. They are very, that question will be very familiar to you, because they will ask this. They will ask you that personal question about your family background, about your family, about your siblings, and why I am hiring you. This kind of question, and why you want to join my company. There are a lot of basic questions. You can easily answer this question. And while answering this question, you have to be concentrate. You have to give some positive response to them. Okay. So this thing will help you to place in any company. I hope guys this information will helpful for you to get placed. This is